My name is Wayne and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about increasing your display light on your dashboard for the W222 2016 Mercedes-Benz S550. It's totally different from the W222 2018 Mercedes-Benz S560. We're going to go inside the car, actually turn it on and see how we can adjust each of these displays. I'm going to go ahead and change the view. And let's walk into the car and actually start it up. And we'll wait for each of the display to light up. And you notice, like I said before, this is one long display. And on the W222 2016 Mercedes-Benz S550, we had a little knob here that we can turn to adjust both the display. For this car, for both the display, the tachometer and the speed, as well as the entertainment system or entertainment side of the display, it's different. So there's two actually controls to make them bright. Right now they're pretty dull, and so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna turn on the light so you can actually see what I'm doing. And for the display in front of us is actually pretty simple. It's actually right here, this lever. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn it up so it's bright. I'm gonna actually turn off the light so you can see it a little bit better. I'm gonna put my hand here right where it is, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna turn this knob upward like that, up towards that way. And we're gonna take a look at the display and see how bright it becomes. All right, so that becomes bright. And for this side, we're gonna actually go into, let's go on the steering wheel. What we're gonna do, we're gonna hit the home button. And we're gonna look at this and actually change the view, and then we're going to take the middle button here and we're going to swipe to the right. So we can go ahead and swipe to the right until we actually get into settings, actually get into systems. But let's go over to the vehicle and go here and take a little bit closer here. And if we go down, there's actually a light setting in here, but this is not for the display that I'm actually looking at. Let's actually go into there. This is more for the ambient lighting and daytime running light and stuff like that. So let's go back. We're gonna hit the back button, and we're gonna hit the back button one more time, and we're gonna come back out. We're gonna actually come out, and we're actually gonna go to system. We're gonna go into system, and we want the display and the design. So we're gonna actually go into display, and we're gonna go down, and we're gonna go down to display brightness. And notice that the brightness here is at a -5. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take this and we're gonna actually move up. And we're gonna move up, and you're gonna notice the screen getting brighter and brighter and brighter. We're gonna make it the brightest, and actually we're gonna come out. We'll go back to the main screen, and we can actually go scroll to radio, hit enter, and we're basically done. And that's basically how you adjust not only this screen but this screen as well. And I did notice as I was adjusting the side knob right here, right next to it, I noticed that as I adjusted it, both screens got a little bit bright. The right screen got a little bit lighter, but mostly for the screen in front of us. You see how I make it bright and light? And the right of it, let me just put the phone right here, go back out just slightly, you know. But and that's basically how you adjust each individual screen. And this is at night, especially helpful if some of you you know, had a hard time figuring out how to adjust the brightness for it. So as always, subscribe and like, and I'll talk to you soon.